Good morning from Detectival. Look who I ran into already.
Hello, hello.
And Emil?
Yes,
Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
From the True Vikings channel.
True Vikings. Hey, what's up guys? We're here on another adventure. We're here for Detectival 2022. I have not been to one since before COVID, so this is really exciting. It's supposed to be really big. It's gonna be a great time. We're here at the rental car place. We're getting ready to drive to go check in. It's Friday, and we're gonna go see what that's all about. We're gonna get registered and then head to our hotel. Hey guys, good morning. First day of Detectival, and I just went and stood in line. I showed you a little bit around there and what all the vendors and the setup looks like. But we got some breakfast here. Got a bacon roll. I support the same company every time. They're always here, always serving breakfast, and it's always really good. So I got a coffee, a couple waters, bacon roll. It's time to eat some breakfast, and we are about 1 hour exactly from kickoff. Kickoff is at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat this, get all my stuff, and get up there and get ready to go find some good stuff.
Hey.
What's up, man?
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I messaged you last time. Where's Tex on YouTube? But
It was you who sent me.
yeah, I saw y'all run by yesterday, and I was like, man, I gotta say hi to them. But I was in line. I couldn't get.
That was a big kiss.
Yeah. Sorry, I gotta get y'all.
Of course, of course.
Hey, good morning from Detectival. Look who I ran into already.
Hello, hello.
And Emil?
Yes,
Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
From the True Vikings channel.
True Vikings. Yeah, I watch these guys all the time. I actually used to live in Finland. So I lived in Helsinki for 3 years, and that's when I discovered y'all.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I messaged you at one point, and y'all were like, yeah, I'm living in Denmark, I think, at the time. Or
Yeah, I used to do some detecting in Denmark, so.
Oh, okay.
But now I'm in Sweden, so
Now you're in
I get
Sweden,
around
yeah,
a lot.
Yeah. I'm in Finland.
You're in Finland?
Yeah,
Okay. Here we go. It's starting. All right, guys. Well, we've been going for about less than a half hour because I had to walk out here. On a horseshoe. Yeah, it's something. So we're gonna keep going, see if we can find some good signals. That's the field everybody kept talking about, so we're gonna head that way. Well, we've been digging here for about an hour. Finally found something. It's the back of a button there. That's pretty cool. I'll take it. It's better than finding trash. Look at everybody up here. All right, it's been a couple hours, about 3 hours now. Still ain't found much. There's the True Vikings in their natural habitat. What? Says the true Vikings. You find anything?
We got some good stuff.
You have.
Possibly Roman.
Possibly
Well,
Roman.
not so good stuff for me, but one coin at least.
I think we've been digging the same holes.
Yeah.
I got like 2 horseshoes and the back of a button. That's about and a bunch of trash.
Yeah, a lot of trash.
Here's my treasure pod.
Oh, all right.
Okay, let's see. What do we got? I got
Oh my goodness.
round coin.
Wow.
Can't see anything.
All right, it's something.
Another flat coin. And that one is flat. Can't see much, but
Oh yeah.
it's thick.
A little thicker, yeah.
Odd shape. Possibly Roman.
I hope it is.
Possibly Roman.
Yeah.
And my best find so far is the brooch. Or the pin.
Awesome.
That's pretty
Congrats.
nice.
Yeah.
Likely Roman, I would say.
Yeah.
Very likely.
I haven't been that lucky. I only have one like coin.
Oh.
A bit beaten up.
Yeah, a little bit. Hopefully that didn't happen on the dig.
No, it was before, but
Yeah.
but
But you can see something from
something, yeah. But
Can you see a year or anything?
no, but I would say like I'm not an expert on these British coins, but
Yeah.
1800s maybe.
Yeah, probably so.
Yeah,
Wow, no silver though, huh?
Not yet,
Not
not
yet.
yet. It's coming.
The day is young.
yeah.
Yeah.
So what did you have?
I have the back of a button and a couple horseshoes. I'm hoping these are good luck horseshoes.
That's a big one.
Yeah. I've got 2 here. I need 2 more and I can go buy a horse.
Yeah.
But hey, it is what it is. Where did you find most of the coins? Was it over on this side?
Yeah, but actually,
And up there in the mound.
Okay.
I found mine there. Yeah.
Right there.
There's
Okay.
way more iron here as well. It's like a carpet of iron. So there's
Yeah.
been a building or
Yeah, I found a lot of iron, a lot of trash. But awesome.
Yeah,
I guess we'll keep on digging.
of course.
All right, looks like we found us a little button. Can't really see anything on it. Hey, I'll take it. It wasn't too deep either. Hey guys, where's the treasure? Huh? They're not giving up any secrets. I'm gonna switch fields and we might go try the token field just for a little bit to see if we find anything. I took a look on the app, not all of them have been found, even though it's been like 4 hours or so. So why not? Let's go see if we can find something. It's a muddy day. Very muddy day. All right guys, well it's about 1:33 on the first day here and I'm out in the token field. Been here for a couple hours, maybe an hour and a half or so. Found a lot of this kind of stuff. Just iron and trash, nails. No tokens yet. Still looking, but there's, if you look on the app, there's a whole bunch left. So just gotta figure out where they are. There's a lot of people out there looking. Let's see what we can find. All right, we're taking a little bit of a lunch break here from the back of the car. Got a cheeseburger and fries. It was raining just a minute ago, but thank goodness it stopped. Well, hopefully it holds out. So I guess that's where the gold is. I don't know if that's part of the detective vault, but we need to go find out. All right guys, well we moved on to field 13 after lunch. I've been detecting as far as you can see all the way to here. And I finally got a solid 8 on the Minelab Equinox 800. And look, here it is, a coin. Not sure, there's not much detail on it. But definitely, to me, appears to be a coin, a very old coin. I'm not sure. But hey, I'll take it. It's round. It's going in the box. All right, let's keep on moving. We got 1 hour left in day 1. I'm gonna keep on going in this area here because I just found something, and then hopefully go on to the next field for just a little bit before the end of the day. All right, all right, guys. It hadn't been long, maybe 15 minutes, and got another really good signal. This time it was a button. Nothing on it. Seems to be blank, but I'll take it. planes are flying over in formation. It's really cool. There's another random one right there. Probably kind of hard to see on the GoPro, but it's a neat little air show while we're digging. Let's keep moving. All right, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for day one here at Detectival. Being surrounded by these airplanes, these old military aircraft. It's kind of cool. They've been flying around the fields. I think they see us probably, and we're showing off a little bit. And that's cool. It's distracting. I keep looking up and losing the place I'm digging, but that's okay. It's kind of neat. I see that every day. All right, so it's about 20 minutes till we have to get off the field, so I'm going to start making my way back. If I have any extra time, I may try the token field real quick before the end of the day. I think they're going to have music and stuff after, and if they do, I'll try to get some of that for you. But anyways, we will see you tomorrow bright and early for day 2. Bye.
Nie przeszkadzaj. Dobrze się teraz skupia. Nie sekundy, trzymaj się!
That's quite nice. Don't know what it is, but it's nice.
And then there was the... I think there was a bin. There. Got any idea about that? Yeah, British guy.
Yeah, I would say that try with the name, run ahead.
Yeah, man.
You said?
Yeah,
Oh,
take a look at that guy. Silver Roman.
Yeah, silver.
Yeah.
Did you have some yellow Vina for that?
Of course.
Of course, you had to, right?
Yeah. And exactly when I found it, it started raining and
Oh, that's when it started.
Yeah.
Well, it made you feel a little better, I guess. Nothing like pulled pork on a trash can. Finish off the day here at Detectival. It's pretty good though, and a London Pride beer. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 here at Detectival. It is a foggy morning. We got some new land to detect, so I'm gonna go check that out. Hopefully we have some better luck. It's exciting. I'm sore, as I expected, but ready to go and hit it strong. We'll see you out there. All right, guys, we've made it to the field 24 where we planned to go. We didn't really find anything but trash, so moved on to the next field over. And it's been about an hour and a half since detecting started. Got my first decent find today. Got a nice button here. See the back? It's actually complete. Have to clean that up. There's a design on it. Pretty cool. So we're gonna keep on moving around here. There's a village right here, so I think that's why this is so popular. Hopefully we'll find a lot of good stuff. Gonna keep on moving. All right, guys, it's been about another 10 minutes or so. I just continued along the trail here where I was coming down close to this village here. Got a really good target, really good signal around 31. Look at that. Looks like a coin, I think. Kind of hard, I don't really see any detail in there. Hey, I'll take it. We're gonna keep on moving along here. See if we can find anything else. Whew, it's getting warm. All right, we moved up here to the infamous field number 32, where a lot of Roman stuff has been pulled out. So this is where we are. I was told by the True Vikings guys they were here for a couple hours yesterday and had zero luck, but curiosity got the best of me, so I had to come up here and check it out. hopefully I'll have some luck. But man, no matter what, the view is beautiful. Look at that. I can see why somebody would stay here for a bit. All right, let's get to digging. All right, so I've been on this field 32 for like 10 minutes. I got a really good signal and I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? And it was really shallow actually. So they got my interest and I started digging. I saw something shiny and look what I found. A spoon. I think, is it a silver spoon? How do you tell if a spoon is silver? It's not like rusted at all. So it might be a silver spoon. Check that out. Silver. I think I found silver, True Vikings. Where you at with the Alavina? All right, we're gonna keep on digging. Hey guys, I just had a pretty decent signal right here in this hole. I'm, geez, not far, maybe, you know, 10, 15 yards from where I was before, where I found the silver spoon. And I got this. I'm not sure how, there's definitely a design on that. I'm not sure if it's coming through on the GoPro. But I think that might be silver, possibly. There's definitely design there. Hope I'm not getting excited over nothing. I'm definitely gonna save it and take it to the tent and get them to verify it. It's pretty cool. It's exciting. I hope I find more. Let's keep going. And I'm hungry. It is like 1 o'clock, 1:16 in the afternoon. I have not eaten much. So I think I'm gonna take a break, have some snacks, and then we're gonna keep going. Or I might just keep going for just a little bit longer, just because, you know, where you find one thing, you might find more. So we're gonna keep going. I'm the only one up here. It's kind of nice. All right, got a pretty good signal. I got a 21 here. I'm gonna go ahead and just dig this one up on camera. Let's see what it is. Oh, there it is. I told you I didn't have high hopes. Bummer, it's a nail. All right, guys, we moved on to another field, which I heard they found several hammered silvers here. So I think that's what everybody's looking for now. There's quite a few people here, or there was. It's kind of thinning out a little bit now. We got about 2 hours left on our time. I did find a little button. It's kind of cool. Buttons galore. All right, moving on. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for Detectival 2022. Man, I had a great time. We technically have about 30 minutes left to detect. I may go over here to field 2 and see if I see any more of the tokens on my way out. But man, I had an amazing time. Found some really cool stuff. I want to give a shout out to the True Vikings. Those two guys are awesome. It was great to meet them. I've watched their videos for years. So it's cool to like actually detect with them and talk to them. Really are the nicest guys. If you ever get a chance to meet them, definitely go and say hello. Yeah, so I think that's gonna do it. We'll see you on the next adventure, guys. Bye.